Welcome back to video 2 of how to make a WordPress website with Hostgator. In the previous video, I've shown you how to get a hosting account with Hostgator. Now, I'm going on to right after you have bought your hosting account. So right after you have purchased your Hostgator account or other kinds of hosting accounts, they will send you an email regarding your hosting login account. In the email, you will have your username, password, your site's IP address, your name servers, as well as how you can access your cPanel. This usually comes with a link. And in this case, you want to click on your cPanel link and go into your website. You need to enter your username as well as your password in order to get into your cPanel. Once you have managed to log into your cPanel, you can then set up MySQL database in your hosting account. If you don't know what is it all about, you don't need to care about it for now. You're just required to complete these 3 steps in the cPanel. Create a MySQL database name for your WordPress. Create a MySQL user and password. And finally, you need to connect the user and the database together. Okay, now I'm at the cPanel of my website, and I'm going to show you how you can create your MySQL database. And firstly, you need to scroll down to the database section. There you will see MySQL databases. Just click here. And now we are at the configuration page of MySQL database. I'll just type probably WordPress, and you need to enter MySQL database user, and the password for the MySQL user. Just some crazy password over here. Okay, here I create a user, and the password is 12345667. And after you have created your database and your user, you need to go here, add user to database, and choose your user as well as your database, and click on add. And click on all privileges and make sure all these boxes are checked, and make changes. And now your user is now added to the database. So we need to copy this down. Password. This is very important when you create WordPress, because you are going to add this in your configuration file in the WordPress config.php file. So let's head back to our slides. So after you have set up your MySQL database, next we head on to downloading WordPress. You can go to the site wordpress.org/download/ to download your WordPress. Then all you need to do is to click on the download button and save it in your computer. You then need to unzip your WordPress and configure some files in the folder. Firstly, you need to find your wp-config-sample.php file, rename it as wp-config.php file, and enter your database information inside the document itself. You need to open it as a text file in order for you to edit the wp-config.php file. So let's take a look at how to do this. Now, this is where I have downloaded my WordPress, and after I have unzipped my WordPress, this is what I get. And going into the folder itself, you'll find this file called wp-config-sample.php. So you need to rename it as wp-config.php, and you need to open with your text file, text software, And you can see this is the wp-config.php file. So you need to enter your information which you have earlier on created. For example, your database. This is my database which I have earlier on created, and I've pasted here, and my user. Be careful of any empty spaces, caps, or even other symbols. You also need to enter your password over here. There you go. And you need to save this file and click on save. Now we have successfully edited wp-config.php file. Next, we'll head on to the slides again to find out how you can upload this entire WordPress into your server.